You know, open houses, they just don't work. Or do they? Hello everybody, I'm Ray, and on this episode of Real Estate Fake Estate, we talk about open houses and what it means when an agent says they don't work. Is that true? In short, the likelihood of a buyer coming directly from an open house is only about 7% of the time. But that means that 7% of the time your house would sell at an open house. So do they work or don't they work? What it really means when you hear an agent say, open houses don't work, is that I want Sundays off, which is totally okay if an agent wants Sundays off, but they should probably tell you that instead of open houses don't work. What open houses do for you as a seller is it increases the awareness of your property, and no agent has ever been able to tell me that that's a bad thing for a seller. As a matter of fact, on a lot of the third-party websites, as soon as you say we're holding our home open on Sunday, it lists your home at the top of people's searches. It says open house. So the increased awareness from your open house could drive more buyers to the open house, but more than likely, it drives buyers to click and view your property online and then tell your agent about it. So I'm willing to bet that more than 7% of homes sold could be attributed to the open house simply due to the awareness raised around your home at the time of the open house. So do open houses work? Yes. So when you hear an agent say, open houses don't work, that's fake estate.